Let's see what's on TV. Hi there. Do you like to hear soothing noises while you sleep? Yeah, I do. Well, you're in luck. This here is the New York City Noise Machine. Oh, I've been in the market for one of those. This groundbreaking invention comes with 5 different noises guaranteed to put you to sleep. Really? We're giving a sneak peek of all the noises right now. The first noise, trains. So soothing. The next, neighbors arguing.
Fucking mother bloody fuck bitch! Bitch, you bloody fuck you fucking bloody bastard!
So calming. Next, traffic. How can you not love that noise? Wow, it sounds so real. Next, someone ordering food.
I'm trying to order a boneless pizza and a 2-liter Coke.
Sounds great. And lastly, the iconic yer. Wonderful, just wonderful. I can't wait to buy this. I wonder how much it is. All of these breathtaking sounds can be purchased for a low 5 easy payments of $19.99. Only 5 payments? Order now.